How to make your resume stand out. When applying for any job, your resume is always the first thing potential employers will see. As such, it is essential to make sure that your resume is up to par. Here are a few tips to make your resume stand out. Use clear and concise language. When writing your resume, use clear and concise language. Avoid using any jargon or technical terms that may not be familiar to everyone. Highlight your accomplishments. Highlight your most impressive accomplishments on your resume. This will help you stand out from the competition. Tailor your resume to the job. When applying for a specific job, tailor your resume to that particular position. This will help show potential employers that you're a good fit. Use strong verbs to make your resume stand out. Use strong verbs to describe your accomplishments. For example, instead of saying managed, say coordinated. Keep it short and sweet. Remember, your resume is not a novel. Potential employers don't want to read pages and pages of text. Keep your resume short and sweet and to the point. By following these tips, you can be sure that your resume will grab the attention of potential employers. Just remember to proofread carefully before hitting send.